Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
First, gather your document, making sure it's entirely filled out but asterisk not asterisk yet signed. All parties who need to sign must be present with you during the notarization process. Having everyone together streamlines the process, making it much more efficient for all involved. Remember, preparation saves time and prevents multiple trips. Finding a notary is usually quite simple, as they are widely available in many locations. Your local bank or credit union is an excellent first stop, as many offer these services to account holders, sometimes without a fee. You can also find notaries at UPS stores, other shipping centers, or even many law offices. Mobile notaries provide the convenience of coming directly to you, which can save valuable time. A crucial step in notarization is identity verification, which ensures the person signing is truly who they claim to be. The notary will carefully examine your government-issued photo identification. This could be a valid driver's license, a state identification card, or an unexpired passport. They are looking for a clear photo, your signature, and to confirm the document is current. This step protects against fraud, upholding the integrity of your document. Once your identity is confirmed, the notary will instruct you to sign the document. It's absolutely vital that you sign the document only while the notary is physically present and observing you. They may ask if you understand the document's contents, ensuring you are signing knowingly and willingly. After you sign, the notary will then apply their official stamp or seal and sign the document themselves, completing their part of the process. Notary fees vary by state, so it's always wise to confirm the cost upfront. Typically, a single notarization can range from about $2 to $15 per signature, depending on your location and the notary service. Mobile notaries might charge an additional travel fee. After the notary completes their entry in their journal, applies their seal, and signs your document, your notarization is officially complete. You now have a legally recognized, verified document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.